Hey guys, gals, dctmakes here. Just a quick video. My wife's got problems with her hands. She's got aggressive RA and she loves to do gardening. So we're making her some tools out of some granddad's bricklaying equipment. He'd know it was going to a good cause. So apparently, when you have RA, you have trouble pushing like a normal. So you got a normal trowel, you have problems holding it like this and then digging because of on your joints. So if you bend the handles back, and then I'll weld a little piece in here to give it some strength, and then shape the ends, like I make a half round one here and maybe a scooped one here so that you can dig, and then you get out of it. And then that guy, so she can grab hold of it and pull back, and her arms, I'm gonna guess the whole point is your wrist is straight to your arm, so you're not levering, you're just pulling. I don't know. I'll finish some of these up, and when she gets back we'll see if they're any good. More to follow. Hey there, and we're back. Look at this motley crew here. It's an old brick trowel, large brick trowel, just cut down, see if it works for her. Cut in, just around the garden. Plastic handle, and just some strengthening parts because you obviously weakened it by bending the handle. So we'll see how that goes. This one, just weld in there and then cut this off, so she's got a bit of a pointier one and then a smaller one to getting around little plants and stuff. And just the piece in the metal in there, obviously just to strengthen it. And then this guy, I don't know about this guy, but we'll see how it goes. This is just obviously she's going to be pushing down on it rather than, and pulling back rather than pushing. But I thought after bending this, obviously cheap metal gets a little weak after being bent like that. But there you go, the motley crew of RA tools for the garden. Hey, just a quick vid. You guys have a good weekend. Bye.